Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Gemini, this is for the weekend of the 25th of September. So 25th, 26th, 27th. Ooh, who's this Gemini in your life? Queen of Swords in reverse? Somebody very upset with you, or are you very angry with someone this weekend? Let's keep this aside and see if it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So as I was saying, Gemini, this is for the 25th weekend, September, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Gemini, welcome back my subscribers. As you may have noticed, last week we crossed over 5,000 of the Omkara family members. So happy and so thankful for all your support. And if you're new here, we welcome you in to the Omkara family. Join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here weekly for all zodiac signs. The world in reverse. Before I open your cards, Gemini, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top this reading. So my angels, what do you have for Gemini now? What do you have for Gemini now for this weekend? A blessing or an advice card? Thank you. Speak your truth. It's time to speak up for what you want, Gemini. I don't think Geminis normally have a problem with that, but I think there is a pressing need to maybe shut down some things or start some things which have been left open-ended, right? The world in reverse is having or wanting to complete some old chapter of your life, but not really doing it yet, because there is a need to speak your truth. Maybe there's somebody very upset and angry around you, and you don't know how to. Let's take one more. My angels, what is this about? Speak your truth. Can we have one more card, please? One more card for my Geminis. Believe. You have to be very firm in what you believe, Gemini. It doesn't matter what people think, what people want, what people don't want. What do you want? What do you think is the right thing to do? And whatever path you follow, you must believe in it 100%. This is a very uncomfortable place to be, Gemini, where you're neither here nor there, right? You have to learn to be very forthright in what you want. Believe in yourself, and even if people get angry about it, well, it's your life first, right? So you have to either shut chapters or start chapters. You can't leave loose ends, because that way what happens, Gemini? Nobody's happy. Let's see if this is going to resonate with any of our cards here. Let's start with Three of Swords in reverse. Thank God. So thinking of getting over some heartbreak by making a decision. Yes, you've been confused for too long, Gemini. You've been maybe had too many options earlier, but now you're realizing that yes, I have to drop my options, choose one if I want to. Again, the Queen of Swords is here again. She just fell out of the deck again. This Queen of Swords has something to say. There's somebody around you, Gemini, who's very upset and angry with you, right? She just kind of wants to keep showing face. Let's open the rest of the cards. Yeah, Four of Wands in reverse. Lack of stability in this equation with whoever you're with. Two of Cups in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse, and the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there is something going on in maybe an old partnership of yours, Gemini, where you're thinking of releasing all this heartbreak and heart pain and dropping being confused now and speaking your truth. Yeah, you've already got the message, it seems, from the angels to speak your truth, but that's actually leading to a lot of conflict. There's somebody here who's being very defensive, who's being very angry, even though you both know now there is no working together left anymore, right? But still there is this defending, being defensive, fighting happening, even though the love is lost here. Two of Cups is in reverse. Two of Cups, Spirit. This is Two of Cups. Two of Cups in reverse. There's a feeling of, not being able to manifest what you want, Gemini, here. You feel you're being tricked into staying in a situation which has actually not given you the satisfaction of feeling that love. I have the Magician here in reverse, which means not being able to manifest your, wishes and dreams, and the Two of Cups. You feel lack of love right now. You feel whatever you do and say, even though I think in your heart of hearts you do have a lot of love and you want to express it to someone. So what's this Knight of Swords spirit? Knight of Swords in reverse is a fight. Somebody who's harsh and mean and is more trouble than anything else. So this could be you behaving this way with a partner, or somebody could be behaving like that with you. Though I think all you want out of the situation is that things should finally even out and some kind of balance should be restored to your life. But there is this Queen of Pentacles as well in reverse. So this is again embodying somebody who's very angry and upset and bitter, money pinching sometimes. There's a lot of heartbreak involved in the situation, and wishing that you could take a brand new leap of faith and move forward. You really want to leave all this heartbreak behind and maybe start a new chapter somewhere else, it seems. But right now, I think you're healing. There's a lot of healing going on where you are hurting right now and you don't know how to go about it, because somebody in your life is either creating chaos or there is unrest and anger. Let's see what's coming up for you for your weekend. Three of Wands in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, and the Six of Cups in reverse. So I think, yes, Gemini, this weekend is turning your back on some old relationship, right? There's a bit of unhappiness. You don't see your ships coming in here at all. And you feel kind of either somebody is manipulating you emotionally to stay in the relationship, or you're feeling the lack of love. You're feeling the lack of love and you're desperate now to come out of this situation which has given you nothing but sleepless nights. You want to work towards something new now. It seems, Gemini, you want to work towards something new which can give you happiness, because whatever this past relationship is, Gemini, it's given you nothing but bad memories now. It may at one time have been looking like it was a soulmate connection. Maybe you were happy together, maybe you've known this person for a long time, but now when you look back, you feel it's time to make a choice, right? Am I going to stay in this heartbreak forever, or is it time for me to move on? Yeah, I think you want to have a fresh new beginning in love. You want to now maybe move forward, either apologize to this person and make it, balanced and bring it back into some kind of healing, or this is your choice now. Are you going to go back to the past and apologize and make things work, or do you want to move ahead and bring some balance back into your life? So I think this weekend you'll have to have a straight talk, Gemini, with whoever you are dealing with. This is a person from your past, that's for sure, where there's been a lot of heartbreak. You are desperate now to come out of the situation, right? So I'm sorry you're going through this pain, Gemini, but you can't leave things like this. It's not going to solve anything. So till your next read then, Gemini, love and light, namaste, take care, and speak your truth now, okay? Speak your truth and come to a decision here.